A package from Michael Gegsno, now RollingTardis. Oh my. Obviously we know what's in here from the title. It's the same box I shipped it in, so that's nice. I still get to throw it out after all of that. And we'll go ahead and use this extraordinarily dull utility knife to not open the box, because it just doesn't cut anything anymore. That was my knife falling apart because I still haven't fixed it for some reason. It got squished on this side, but yeah, that's the brown people. Oh, a lot of my same packing material. Great, I get to throw that out too. Thanks! Now, we have a bottle of Diva Wash. He had a video on this stuff. Extraordinarily expensive laundry detergent. Thank you. And replacement high water wash stickers, because the one on the other machine had gotten knackered when I had cleaned it off one day. And in here is the Olympia InfoGlobe, the wall wart. He had a whole series of repair videos on this. So there's going to be links to all that in the prescription that you can watch to see how he was able to fix this. How he was able to fix this, I still don't know. But he was able to fix it. There we go. Complete with a twist tie. Even shined up. He said he shined it up, so that's nice. Clean this off and let us see what we have in here. I'm extraordinarily excited. This is really something. Holy crap, it looks great right now without even... I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm probably leaving fingerprints on it. Ooh, 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 yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Man. Holy shit. It is brand fucking new. That is crazy. It's stitched up with cable ties because of the broken clips, so that's fine. It's just there. This was the only clip on this side that did not break, so there was no cable tie there because there is no need for that. He sent me a video with this thing in operation, and I just sat there and I watched it with my jaw open. I could not believe this. Now, if you recall, this thing is about 19 or 20 years old, and it had aged gracefully. Besides the broken solder joints to the ErrEeeDees that were on there, it had aged gracefully, and the ErrEeeDees just dimmed over time. I saw that video, and I said, holy fucking shit, I can't believe it used to be that bright, that vibrant, that good. I'll tell you what, here's that video now. All right, so now it is time to power this up for the first time and see it in person. I'm terribly excited about this. I didn't think there was a chance that this was ever really going to work again. There is also a sleeper mod that he did on this. So just power for now. This has a compartment for 3 AAA batteries for memory retention of the phone numbers and the various bits of data and things like that that you put in there, messages to come up and stuff like that. So let's go ahead, get the camera reconfigured. Man, that's just nice. And let's get this powered up for the first time. Okay, it's time to apply power. First time I'm seeing this in person. I'll explain more about the sleeper mod in a moment. Oh my god! Holy shit! Wow, it was that good? It was that good when it was new? That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh man, let me shut the lights here. Wow, that is so vibrant. That is absolutely so vibrant. Now, the strobing that you're seeing on the camera is the camera. In real life, there is just a flicker in it that I see, but it always had done that. It shows the date. The date is correct. Wow. The time again. Let me see if I could zoom in on that. Just amazing. It's so it's vibrant. It's vibrant. I've said that, but it's still vibrant. It shows the date with the year. And let's talk about the sleeper mod that this had. The sleeper mod that this has, like I said, it takes AAA batteries for memory retention and that. No more of that. There is a 10-day Keep Alive battery installed in here that is running off of the original power supply, and it's just tucked away and it just works. So if it loses power, and let's make it lose power, well, let's see what it says. There it is. That's the message. Unfucking believable. Unfucking believable. Wow. Alright, time to power down. It stopped. Power back up. So let me go ahead and put the light back on so you can see it zoomed in with the light on. And yes, of course, there's glare from all of the lights, and there's about a zillion lights in here, so it's everywhere. But still, even in pretty bright light, it's there. I can't. I really can't. This ranks right up there with the neon sign. There'll be a link in the description to that as well. Wow. Alright, well, let's see about this detergent. Oh, it says, shake well, which I did not see before. Okay, let's see if I can unscrew that and leave the rest. Yes, I can. Let me get the camera reconfigured and we'll do that. Shake well, eh? It has shaken well. This is a nifty little bottle there, too. That's Gucci. Actually, it's Bougie, I think, or Bouge, I don't know. Whatever it was in his video. It's purty. It's really purty. I do have a load of laundry to run. Oh. You wanted to see that. No. The problem is I get all these comments, and you know all the emojis and stuff that people put in the comments? I get like cum shots in the comments, so these wash days, you fucking washer twerps, I swear. Anyway, we have an InfoGlobe that's working, and I need to set that up in its permanent location, a new location, somewhere where it will be more appreciated perhaps than the living room. And there it is, the table at Club J with the lights off. Kind of nifty right there. That's nice. I'm going to put the lights back on. I'm going to call it, but because washer twerps would call me if the number showed up, I'm going to have to blur it out, but we'll call it. Right now I'm just borrowing the cord from the Panasonic cordless phone. I have to run 2 flights up and get a replacement cord because I put all that away when I took it out of service, so I have to run 2 flights up, and I have 3 videos to edit and about a million other things to do. So anyway, here we go. Let's call it. Have to mute the cylinder when that yells. Yep, it definitely works, but you can't see the number, sorry. And it's clear. Oh look, a new message. There is one new call in call log. Let me get a zoom on that. And there it is. March 19th, 2022. Fixed by RollingTardis. It looks probably even better than new. Absolutely unfucking believable. That is awesome. How he was able, good afternoon. How he was able to do that, I just don't know. Huge, huge thank you to RollingTardis, Michael Gegsno. There's a link in the prescription. Now listen, you know, I tell you to go to channels and subscribe to them. Let's get this guy over 1,000 subs, okay? He needs help. We got to get him over 1,000. That will monetize his channel. He has a lot of niche content, a lot of awesome content, because, I mean, that's who this guy is. He's like the one guy on earth that's more awesome than I am. So, you know, go over to his channel. Again, the link is in the prescription, as well as all of the links for his repairing this, and of course the link to the original video when I opened it to see if I could do anything. But he did it. It all stemmed from a comment. He said, let me have a crack at it. And he did. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There is the new call message. Thank you again. That is absolutely awesome. And it has a new home, and it will stay awesome. because that's just what I do. But, of course, you know, I'll spill the beans here. RollingTardis liked this thing so much. He said, well, I gotta, you know, step up my awesome game. So he's got a couple on the way to him, and they're probably knackered, and he's going to fix them up in much the same fashion as this one. As far as the red and the green ErrEeeDees on this, when they display, how they display, nobody knows. It's just there, and that's it. But anyhow, that's the deal. It works once again. Huge, huge, huge thank you to RollingTardis, Michael Geggsno. Go over there and subscribe. It's free. There it is. That's the channel right there. Go over there. Subscribe. It doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't cost anything. Just hit subscribe. And if you never watch his videos, well, don't be a dick. But if you never watch his videos, at least he has another subscriber. Help this guy out. Totally awesome. Thank you once again, Mr. Geggsno. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.